Bold, umami, spicy, herbaceous, and aromatic flavors. That's an eye-catching description for a restaurant, if you ask me. So when I saw that on a website for Taurus Ox on Capitol Hill in Seattle, I wanted to put that claim to the test. Owner Campaign has created a menu based around his home country of Laos where the flavors, well, they're just like the website says. This is like one of the only Laos-based restaurants around, right?
There's a few. The reason why there's not more, a lot of the Lao people, they disguise as a Thai restaurant.
Okay.
The people will ask, so you mean like Thai food? And that's the main reason why there's a lot of Thai restaurants owned by Lao people, because it's just re-education.
Because at some point they're like, yeah, fine, like Thai food.
Just like, yeah, I'm a Thai restaurant. It's all about like the herbs, the spices.
Okay.
We're unapologetically spicy.
Okay.
The flavors go all the way from like, we don't even mess around. It's like a 10 for everything.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's either going to be really salty, really spicy, really sour, really bitter. You get the picture.
And there's Lao food.
That's Lao food, yeah.
Today, we're trying the Laos chicken lob made with fresh, washed and grown herbs.
The herbs really highlight this. And in particular, the mint and the raw ram, and then sprinkled on top is our toasted rice powder.
Nice. And a lot of these herbs, they're right here from Washington, right?
Yes. They even grow like wild.
Yeah.
Especially the mint and the raw ram.
I have plenty of mint in my backyard, so I know exactly what you're talking about.
They grow in the winter too.
I think I'm tired of looking at it. I think we need to eat this.
I just kind of one of these.
Yeah,
right
exactly.
Here.
Cheers. I'm excited to try this. Oh, it's gonna get you. It creeps in the back of your throat. It's bright and it's airy and you're right. There's that saltiness and that spiciness, but it makes you want to go back for more.
What I hear often is, "Wow, you guys definitely didn't hold back."
Right.
And that's kind of my goal. I didn't want to hide or change what Lao food is to please the masses. I hope you like it.
Yeah, just unapologetically, this is who we are. This is awesome. This thing tastes so good, and I could just keep eating this all day. I think I just might, when the cameras are off, I'm gonna continue.
It's just the tip of the iceberg for Lao food.
Right, it's delicious. And if you're cooking everything in this restaurant with this much flavor and passion and love, Lao's the way to go.